In today's fast-paced world, many overlook the importance of their diet, unaware that their food choices could be jeopardizing their kidney health. Our kidneys, vital organs in the body, perform essential functions such as filtering blood and removing toxins. However, a diet high in unhealthy foods can lead to chronic conditions that silently threaten our renal function. The relation between diet and kidney health cannot be overstated. High sodium intake from processed snacks and fast foods, along with excessive protein consumption, can burden the kidneys and potentially lead to long-term damage. It's crucial to understand which foods harm these hard-working organs and how we can make better choices to preserve their function and ensure overall well-being. Avoiding hazardous foods is the first step to kidney protection. Salty snacks like chips and processed meats loaded with preservatives can lead to hypertension and other cardiovascular issues. Be wary of dark sodas and overutilizing salt substitutes that contain potassium chloride, as they too pose serious risks. Instead, focus on incorporating fresh fruits and vegetables known for their kidney-friendly properties. Blueberries, apples, and garlic can help nourish your kidneys while improving overall health. Transitioning to a kidney-healthy diet isn't just about what you eliminate. It involves adding nutritious foods that support kidney function. Ingredients such as olive oil, cauliflower, and lean proteins form a solid foundation for meals that can fortify our kidneys. Learning to cook with these foods can transform your plate while providing the essential nutrients your body craves. Staying hydrated is equally important, but moderation is key. Ensure you drink just the right amount of water to aid kidney performance without overwhelming them. In addition to dietary changes, incorporating lifestyle adjustments plays a crucial role in maintaining kidney health. Regular physical activity not only bolsters overall well-being, but also helps manage body weight and blood pressure. By monitoring these factors, along with reducing alcohol and avoiding smoking, you can create a healthier environment for your kidneys to thrive. Remember, it's never too late to start making changes. Taking control of your kidney health begins with informed food choices today.
Stay fit. Stay strong. See you in the next video.